Brian with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play Carol of the Bells. I'm going to do things a little differently this time. Usually I insist on teaching you the entire song. In this case, I'm going to show you the main licks and let you make up the song yourself, let you arrange it the way you think it should go. If you have a multi-track recorder or something, you can overlay the parts on top of each other and make it sound like the original choral tune, or put drums and bass behind it with GarageBand, or play it with your own band and make it sound like something special. Now, a lot of these riffs are suspiciously like playing scales, which, as most of you know, I don't like to do. But it's not scales, it's melody for Carol of the Bells, and when you play it with a little bit of distortion, it's a lot of fun. And not playing scales at all, but you still get a lot of the same benefits, and once your fingers get used to these riffs, you'll be able to use the same fingerings for other solos and other songs. The first thing you do is go to the link below and download the tab. Otherwise, everything else I'm going to say is not going to make a whole lot of sense, because I'm not going to talk a whole lot. We're going to start off in 7th position. That means the first finger covers the 7th fret, middle finger covers the 8th, ring finger covers the 9th, pinky covers the 10th. Now just stay on that one for a while, play it smoothly. Work your way up to speed. Next riff is going to be in 10th position. First finger goes on the 10th fret, middle, ring, pinky. We're going to start off on the 12th string with the middle finger. Now you notice you have to move from there to there. You have to move from the 2nd string of the 12th fret to the 3rd string on the 12th fret. A way to do that is to you sort of leave your finger on the 3rd string and rock it back and forth on the 2nd string. Makes it faster, less motion. And as we know, less motion is faster. Next we're going up into staying in 10th position. We're going to move over to the 1st string, 12th fret. Now I'm kind of trying to keep my fingers out of the way, but you want to keep yours right over the string so you don't have to move as far. Jump out of position and drop down to get that 9th fret on the 3rd string with our 1st finger. For the next riff, first one on the 2nd line, measure 7, we're going to start off on the 9th position, 4th string. 1st finger on the 9th fret, 11. For 13, we're going to stretch the pinky up, not a big reach this high on the neck. 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. I'll do it all slow. And of course, when you get to the 10th fret, you want to throw a little vibrato on it. The next riff is very similar. You just repeat the first part of this one very fast. Now we get to the fun, easy part. You're going to slide up to the 12th fret with your ring finger because we're going to be in 10th position. Going on. Still in 10th position. Oh wait, that's nothing new. That was the 3rd lick we learned. Okay, so most of the rest of us repeats. Skip down to measure 29. This is going to lead us into the coda, the very end of the song. We're going to play the first part of another lick. 9, 11, 13, 9, 11. Jump back up to the 12th position on the 1st string. Now for the big finish. With our pinky, we're going to slide up to the 19th fret. So you're going to go 19, 17, 19, 12. And then the final chord I like to use an E5 all the way down here. forget to check in the links below for other songs that you might like to learn. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Carol of the Bells Your Own Way. Thank you for watching.